cram. I want you to write cram on your paper for me, please. Just write cram. Remember the book. Cram. You can, yes, just like this, just like you see it here. I want you to write cram. Okay. Elijah, tell me what the first one is. What does C stand for?
Cover the answers.
Cover up your answers. Everybody, cover up your answers. What does C stand for?
Cover up your answers.
Awesome. Lerone, what does R stand for?
Read the question.
Read the question. R stands for what?
Read the question.
Awesome. Diana, what does A stand for? Answer in your own words. What does A stand for?
Answer in your own words.
Good job. That's right. And M. Yannicka, what does M stand for?
Match your answer.
Match your answer. M stands for match your answer. So what does M stand for?
Match your answer.
Good job. So, if you can remember cram, when you get your blank piece of paper, as soon as you get your paper, and they hand out those tests, and they give you that blank paper, you remember cram. Because if you can write cram down, you will remember what each letter stands for, right? So, C stands for cover your answers. What does it stand for?
Cover your answer.
R stands for read the question. What does it stand for?
Read the question.
A stands for answer in your own words. What does it stand for?
Answer in your own words.
M stands for match your answer. What does it stand for?
Match your answer.
Awesome. So, if you can remember to write cram on your blank piece of paper, are you going to remember these steps? Then you can go back and you can read that and remind yourself as you're taking your test, cram, cover my answers, read the question, answer in my own words, and match my answer. Then I know after I've read my paragraph or my story or poem or whatever it is, I remember how to take this test and I can get this a lot better, right?
Yes.
Right. These are tools we can use. Sometimes the test is just there to trick us, right? But if we use our tools, we'll trick them, right?
Yeah.
I think you guys have done a great job, and I really am proud of you, and I know that we got this. So, we remember, what is it? Cram.
Cram.
One more time.
Cram.
One more time.
Cram.
We're going to remember this, right? So another test-taking technique that we forgot. I didn't see very many people doing this, and I want to make sure that you remember. Let's read our questions first, right? So everyone open up to page 19. It's a poem at the top. Page 19. Very good. So, what are we going to do first? Yannicka.
First, we're going to read the questions.
Yes, we're going to read the questions. Layla, can you read question number 1 for me, please? Which best describes where Mary chewed her bubblegum? Good job. Nizette, can you read number 2 loud and proud for me? Diana, can you read number 2 for me loud and proud so everybody can hear you? Why did the teacher take Mary's bubble gum? Good job. Number 3. Now, Nizette, can you read number 3 loud and proud for me, please?
What lesson did Mary most likely learn from her punishment?
Very good. What lesson did Mary most likely learn from her punishment? Bryant, can you read number 4 for me, please?
Mary picked up to her gum, how will she most likely feel?
If Mary finds out what happened to her gum, how will she most likely feel? Good job. So now we've read our questions, right?
Yes.
So we have it in our head, right?
Yes.
So when we read our poem, what's going to happen? We're going to know what to look for, right?
Yes.
So we're going to know what to
Look for.
Come on, a little better than that.
Look for.
Very good. We're going to know what to look for now. So, Mary had some bubble gum. Mary had some bubble gum. She chewed it long and slow. And everywhere that Mary went, her gum was sure to go. She chewed the gum in school one day, which was against the rules. The teacher took her pack away and chewed it after school. Yes, Thoreau.
It is question 1 said that where did she chew her gum?
Yep.
And in line 3 it said everywhere, and that's one of the questions.
Yes, sir. Very good. And you knew right away, didn't you? Because why?
It's in the text.
Because it's in the text, and we did what first?
Read the questions.
Exactly. So right away, he knew what the answer to number 1 was, right?
Right,
Because we did what?
because we looked in the answers.
Because we read the questions first, right? So what did we do?
Read the questions.
One more time. What did we do?
Read the questions first.
Very good. That's what I want to hear. So we remember, we're going to read our questions first, right?
Yeah.
That way, when we're reading our text, we know what to look for, right?
Right.
So, Jerome already answered number 1 for us. So let's.
Everywhere.
Very good. That's right. She chewed her gum everywhere. So number 2. Why did the teacher take Mary's bubble gum? So I have 3 answers. I know I can get more than that. Who knows the answer to this? Why did the teacher take Mary's bubble gum? Almost everybody. Come on, I know you're all ready to answer this question because I know everyone knows the answer to it. Very good. That's my class. Layla, why? Why did Mary take her bubble gum? Layla. Yes, she was chewing her gum in the school. So A is what? Read answer A for me, Emery.
Chewing gum was against the rules.
Chewing gum was against the rules. Does that sound right? That's probably our answer, right? But let's read letter B and make sure we know. Elijah, read letter B for me.
Mary could have choked on the gum.
Mary could have choked on the gum. That's not really in our poem, though, is it? So we can probably slash that one. C. Elsie, can you read C for me, please?
Oh, the teacher wanted the gum.
The teacher wanted the gum.
What?
She probably didn't want her gum, did she?
No.
No.
She did.
Well, she did chew it after school, didn't she? Yes, Yannicka, you're right. But I don't think that was the whole goal of the poem, do you? No. Caden, can you read D for me, please?
Blowing bubbles got Mary in trouble.
Blowing bubbles got Mary in trouble. We didn't really read about that, did we?
No.
So, who knows the answer? I can see. Who knows the answer to this? Good job. So everybody together, what's the letter?
A.
Yes. Awesome. Everybody, we got it right.
Yay.
So, I want you to answer number 3 on your own. And when you're done, raise your thumb so I can come check it and let you move on. Good job, you can do the next one. Good job, you can do the next one. Do the next one. Good job. Do the next one. Yes, ma'am. Do the next one. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. How did I not check? We're just waiting on one more person. Good job. Guess what? Everyone got 3 and 4 right, all on their own. Yay! Good job, everyone. See? You can do this. So what are we going to do first?
Read the question.
That's right. What are we going to do first?
Read the question.
That's right. We're going to read the question first. Very good. So, and what are we going to do on our blank paper?
We are going to write
Cram.
cram.
Everybody say?
Cram.
Good job. What's C?
Coordination.
Say it again. What's C?
Cover the answer.
Good job. What's R?
Read the question.
One more time.
Read the question.
Very good. Letter A.
Answer in your words.
A.
Answer in your
Good
words.
job. M.
Match your
One
answer.
more time.
Match your answer.
And what's the first thing we're going to do when we get our test? What are we going to do first? Read the questions, right? Yes, you got to have to write your name. Very good. But you're going to what?
Read
Read the